In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Messenger waiting for network. So if you're using the Messenger and you see the message waiting for network, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be weak internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between the mobile data and Wi-Fi. After you do that, your problem might be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try turning on the airplane mode for a while. For that, launch open settings of your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Tap on this option network and internet. After you do that, find the option for airplane mode. Once you do that, what you have to do is toggle this button on. Now what you have to do is wait for 10 to 20 seconds. After a while, simply toggle this button off. Now you can see over here it has been disabled. You'll again be connected to the internet. Now what you can do is simply try using the messenger and your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, there might be some problem with the messenger application. In that case, what you can do is simply force stop it for a while. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for messenger and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. After you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of messenger. What you have to do is tap on this option force stop that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option OK. Now wait for a while. After a while, you can simply start the application again and your problem will be fixed. If not, try clearing the cache. For that, tap on this option storage and cache in the app info interface. Now what you have to do is tap on this option clear cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try updating the messenger app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply search for messenger. Tap on this option messenger that you can see in the results. Now tap on this option update. Now what you have to do is simply wait for the update to be completed. Now once the messenger has been updated, all the bugs of the messenger should be fixed and you should be able to fix the problem. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix messenger waiting for network. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.